The Lord will command the blessing on you in your storehouses and in all to which you set your hand, and he will bless you in the land which the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 28, verse 8. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. The construction on the house is going swiftly and we are right on schedule. I really love the visuals at this place, the green vegetation, the trees. It's really beautiful. It doesn't matter what season it is out here in the village, whether it's the dry or the wet season. The green views are always perfect. The birds are always chirping, and the air. I am obsessed with how clean the air is here. But as with every project, sometimes challenges are unavoidable. We recently ran out of bricks and we have to order more bricks because the ones we have right now are not enough to finish the interior walls of the house and the outdoor toilet. Yep, some things are unavoidable. And as I had previously told you guys, acquiring bricks in our village isn't the easiest task. It's a seasonal business. People do not sell bricks every time, every day. No, some of them are waiting for their children to go back to school. Some of them are struggling with burning the bricks. They don't have firewood. So yeah, it's going to take us a few days to acquire more bricks. But the good thing with this project, construction on the house is going to be put on hold a bit until we get the bricks, but work must go on.
Tayo warna mo tini na guest ra. Ekyo n'ekikondo ky'okubanza omusaayi gwa Yesu gukulembere ekisa kya Katonda.
So, drum roll please. We are starting the construction on the animal structures. We will be starting with the goat house and putting up doing the measurements and putting up the poles. Basically working on the skeleton of the goat house at the moment. Yeah, until we can get the other material that we need to finish the house. So yeah guys, so far this is the progress, and this is the end of this video. Hope to see you again in our next video. I believe in our next video we will be finalizing the construction of the house. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us if this is the kind of videos you like: construction, setting up a farm, doing farm projects, bringing animals. So many exciting things coming ahead. So don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.